In today's video, we're going to take a look at a subscription box you can really sink your teeth into. Talking about the Carnivore Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So we've looked at several different subscription box models here on the channel, and I kind of do this to give you an idea of what you expect if you decide you want to explore any of these boxes further. But today I've got has the potential to be my favorite subscription box ever. This is the Carnivore Club. So if you are a vegetarian or a vegan or somebody with one of those eating disorders, then you may not want to watch this video. But if you're like me and you like you some meat, this might be a good one for you. So without any further ado, let's just talk about the Carnivore Club. So first of all, folks at Carnivore Club were kind enough to send me these so I can show them to you. And I've got three different things to show you today. And I've got some notes up here, but we've got a Jerky bouquet. I mean, how does it get better than that, right? Then we have this is the October Classic, which is just this is the way it comes packaged. And then this is the November Classic, and with the extra little wooden box here. And pretty cool. So what I thought we'd do is I'll just go ahead and open these up. And as I'm opening them up, I'll tell you about the Carnivore Club, because that way we're not just looking at my face. You can be looking at the Jerky here. So first of all, I said Jerky, so let's take a look at the Jerky bouquet. So the way that the Carnivore Club works is it's a subscription service, but you can also just buy these things without being subscribed. But for example, they have a monthly standard box, which is one of these here that we're looking at. And the price for the monthly standard, the classic box, is $44.99. Or you can, if you're a member of the subscription, if you subscribe to get it monthly, it's $39.99. So you save $5. And then there's $9.99 shipping. They also have like these different boxes and different individual boxes. This is one. This is a Jerky bouquet. And this is a good gift option if you're looking for somebody to give somebody a really cool gift. And it's it's pretty stinking cool. It's like a little dozen roses. Only in this case, it's a dozen meat sticks and meat snacks. And let's just take a look at these. So we got 4 different kinds of sticks here. We have venison stick, hot venison stick, buffalo stick, and elk stick. We'll set this aside for a minute. We're going to do a taste in just a minute, but I just kind of want to go over what's in the boxes first. So there's the Jerky bouquet. Put that right over here. And then we've got the monthly regular boxes. This one again is, call it $40, $50 with shipping per month. And you can pay an extra $15 your first month and get this cool little wooden crate. And it's pretty nice. Got the packing in there. And then every month it comes with a little booklet that tells you some details about the meat and about the artisan creator that furnished it. So in this particular month box, we've got, you can see that cool picture there. See what we got. We got some uncured pepperoni. We have salami snack stick, and this looks like this box is all nitrate free, which I think is really cool. So this is a salami snack stick. A Nostrano uncured pink peppercorn salami. There's that one. And then we have some sopressata picante uncured spicy salami in that package. And we have Finocchiona uncured fennel pollen salami. So this is handcrafted in Chicago, by the way. There's several different really boutique delicacy style salamis and meats. And we're going to open these up in just a minute, because I've never even heard of some of this stuff, which is pretty cool. And this one is from the Tempesta Artisan. So this is Tempesta Market, is the culmination of more than 100 years of crafts. And this is the father-son team of Agostino and Tony Fiaschi, I think, the same duo behind Naduja Artisan Salamaria. And so, anyway, this one says they're all use no antibiotics, no growth promotants or hormones, and are always vegetarian fed. 100% Berkshire pork raised on family farms in southern Minnesota. So we're going to taste this in just a minute too. And then finally, we'll open up this is the October Classic box. Don't know what's in it yet, so let's open it up. Because every month is kind of different. So it's kind of like every month you can have a culinary delight waiting at your box, coming straight to your mailbox. And the I think Carnivore Club is the very first cured meats club, a monthly club, and there's a really cool box there. Look. Also, you can save 10% off your first box by using the coupon code SURVIVE10. So let's see what is in the October box. And the October box features chorizo with manchego cheese. And this is, let's see, this is also nitrate free. And it's Cusco. And so Cusco is the artisan. España is a family-owned company founded by Steve España. And they combine high-quality ingredients with time-honored Spanish recipes. So October was kind of a Spanish month. We have hot sopressata here. We have all-natural Fuet Tradicional. And this is nitrate-free also. And then we have some Serrano ham, all-natural, minimally processed here. And this is about 3 ounces. Then we have some Spanish beer salami here. That's a lot of stuff. There's no way I'm going to open and test all this because I don't want to just open it up and waste it, because if I can't eat all this at one time. So I'm going to pick a couple of things that I think I like the most and try them for you here. This is all designed, by the way, so it can be shipped non-refrigerated. Now, some of it will say refrigerate after opening. Certainly, you want to do that. You don't want this really cool meat to go bad. But it can be stored like this. Although they recommend when you get it to go ahead and put it in the fridge. But it's all one of their requirements from their artisans is that the product is all able to be shipped with no refrigeration. So let's see. I wish we had a live stream going here. You could tell me which one you want me to try. So let's just pick something out of each box. I'll pick one thing out of each box at least. So I'm going to try the elk stick because I don't know that I've ever had any elk. I've had some deer and I've had some buffalo, but no elk. So let's just try this one, see what happens. So this is like a Slim Jim on steroids. Okay. Vacuum packed in here pretty good. It's stinking good. Yeah, that's good. And this one stick has 6 grams of protein, so I know, not supposed to talk with my mouth full. Let me set this aside. I'll finish it off camera. So there's that one. And it is good. It's not really, it's not super dry like some of these meat sticks are. I mean, it's got a really good consistency like meat should have. Okay, one more bite. While I'm opening the other one, what do you think we should try here? I'm going to try the uncured fennel pollen salami because I've never even heard of that before. So, and while I'm opening this, I'll just read from my notes for a minute. So, again, I said it's the world's first cured monthly meat club. They feature monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly subscriptions, so you don't have to do this per month, or get a lot of gifting options. So like we saw, you can gift the jerky bouquet. They have snack boxes. They have wild game samplers. That's pretty cool. Just a lot of different, and they also just a lot of separate individual products. And every box just comes with 4 to 6 products per month. And it gives you access to some really exclusive meats that you might not have ever heard of, or that might be regional, that it's kind of hard to find in your area. So this one again is from Chicago, from Neduja Artisans Company, and I probably said that wrong. And this again is the Finociona. I don't know what that means even, but uncured fennel pollen salami. So let's see what it tastes like. I tore it, but there it is. Let's see. It's good. It's got a very different flavor. It's really, really hard to describe. It's just a little spicy. I guess it's the fennel pollen. Gives it a different flavor. But it's good. That's from the November box. And that's the Tempesta Finociona, uncured fennel pollen salami. So we'll put those in the fridge now. I'll be honest with you, when I started thinking about making this video, my intention was I'm just going to sit down and eat all this stuff here because I'm hungry. This is too much stuff for me to eat in one sitting. I didn't realize how much meat it was going to be. So I'm trying to not get into the great big ones here. Let's see. Here's some beer salami, Spanish beer salami. That might be pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. And again, this is nitrate free. This is from Cusco. I just had some fennel pollen salami. Let's try this. And then we'll wrap it up and I'll finish eating this off camera so you don't have to watch me chew. Just as a recap, Carnivore Club ships to both the USA and Canada. And the Canadian products are sourced in Canada. So it won't be the same products as the US products, but US boxes because of, you know, border and import restrictions and whatnot. Again, they have 4 to 6 items per month. The price for subscribe for this classic box, which would be this one or this one, 4 to 6 items, is $40 a month plus $10 shipping. So call it $50 a month, tax, tag, and title. And you can upgrade your first box to this wooden crate for $15, but you can use that for a lot of cool stuff. It's a very nice, well-made little wooden crate. And then they also offer several different snack boxes and different options. And don't forget, you can save 10% on your first order by using the coupon code SURVIVE10. So let's pop this bad boy here open. Let's try a piece of this Spanish beer salami. Looks good. Tastes good. Just read you the ingredients. Pork, sea salt, beer, celery extract, cane sugar, lactic acid, starter cultures. That's it. Nothing I can't pronounce. I'll stop chewing and talking. So, like I said, this is in my opinion, a subscription box I could really sink my teeth into, and I'm for somebody like me who I am a 100% confirmed carnivore. I think this is a pretty good subscription box, and the gifting options, like the wild game sampler, is 12 different wild game products, and it's $65. It comes with 12 different products and a dry bag, which is pretty cool, and be a great gift for Christmas. I know I would really dig getting that for Christmas. If my wife is watching this video, just saying. Anyway, so if you're interested in checking this out, I'll put a link in the video description below. Don't forget, save 10% on your first order by using the coupon code SURVIVE10. Once again, thanks to the folks at Carnivore Club for sending me these so I can check them out and chow down and show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out new videos every Friday and Saturday, and sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single video, I invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter, where every week I'll send you an email with all the previous week's videos, plus any news, offers, or general ramblings I think you might be interested in. It also just allows us to stay connected in case YouTube decides they don't like my content anymore, because you just never know. There'll also be a square box with like a knife in it right here. You can click that. It'll take you there too. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time. Don't go hungry, by the way.